In this video, I will guide you through 10 step-by-step breathing techniques for instant anxiety relief. I'm Blaise Singh, a former teacher turned well-being creator, and I've personally experienced the relentless grip of anxiety and the toll it can take on our well-being. But through my own journey of self-discovery and healing, I've discovered some powerful tools and techniques that have transformed my relationship with anxiety. I recommend practicing these techniques daily until they become your automatic response when facing unnecessary anxiety. You can also quickly refer to the technique of your choice as a reminder in moments of distress. Breathing techniques directly impact our autonomic nervous system, activating the parasympathetic response, which is responsible for relaxation and calming the body's stress response. This part of your nervous system sends a signal to your brain, reassuring the anxious part that you're in a secure state and no longer require the fight, flight, or freeze reaction. By mastering these techniques, you can reclaim control over your anxious thoughts and find a sense of inner peace. Technique 1. Diaphragmatic breathing. Let's start with the foundation of deep breathing, diaphragmatic breathing. It involves consciously engaging your diaphragm, a large muscle located below your lungs. This technique helps to calm the mind, reducing heart rate and promoting relaxation. Find a comfortable seated position or lie down on your back. Place one hand on your chest and the other hand on your abdomen. Inhale deeply through your nose, allowing your abdomen to rise while keeping your chest relatively still. Exhale slowly through your mouth, allowing your abdomen to fall inward. Repeat this cycle, following the sensation of your breath filling your abdomen. Continue for several minutes, allowing each breath to deepen your relaxation. Technique 2. Box breathing. Box breathing is a technique where you create a box in your mind's eye while following a specific pattern. It involves inhaling, holding the breath, exhaling, and then holding again, each step corresponding to a side of the box. This rhythmic practice brings harmony to both the mind and the body, alleviating and enhancing mental clarity. Find a comfortable seated position. Inhale deeply through your nose to a count of 4, filling your lungs completely. Hold your breath for a count of 4. Exhale slowly through your mouth to a count of 4, emptying your lungs. Hold your breath for a count of 4. Repeat this cycle, visualizing each breath tracing the 4 sides of a box. Continue for several minutes, allowing the rhythmic pattern to bring tranquility. Remember, this technique can be used anytime, anywhere, to find calm and regain control over your breath and your mind. Practice regularly and you'll notice its transformative effects on your overall well-being. Technique 3. Boxed belly breathing. Boxed belly breathing is a powerful technique that combines the benefits of diaphragmatic breathing with the structured rhythm of box breathing. Anxiety often causes our breathing to become shallow and rapid, which can contribute to feelings of unease and tension. Boxed belly breathing offers a way to counteract this by consciously engaging our breath and activating the body's relaxation response. Find a comfortable seated position with your feet flat on the ground. Place one hand on your chest and the other hand on your belly. Take a slow deep breath in through your nose, allowing your belly to rise as you count to 4. Hold your breath for a count of 4, maintaining a relaxed state. Exhale slowly through your mouth, allowing your belly to fall as you count to 4. Hold your breath for a count of 4, experiencing a moment of stillness. Repeat this boxed belly breathing pattern for several minutes, focusing on 4 count intervals and the sensations in your body with each breath. Notice the soothing effect of this technique as it brings harmony to both your mind and your body. Adjust the count to a comfortable pace for you, ensuring a smooth and relaxed breathing experience. As we journey through this technique together, remember that your breath is always available to you as a source of grounding and calmness. And let it guide you to a place of serenity and tranquility, even in the face of anxiety. Technique 4. 4-7-8 breathing. 4-7-8 breathing is a powerful practice to calm the nervous system and find relief from anxiety. Anxiety can often leave us feeling overwhelmed, restless, and disconnected from the present moment. The 4-7-8 breathing technique offers a gentle and effective way to restore calm and balance within ourselves. Sit in a comfortable position and relax your body. Take in a deep breath through your nose to a count of 4. Hold your breath for a count of 7. Exhale slowly through your mouth to a count of 8, releasing all tension and worries. Repeat this cycle several times, allowing each breath to deepen your relaxation. As you engage in the rhythm of 4-7-8 breathing, notice how it brings a sense of calm and tranquility to your mind and body. The deliberate elongation of the exhale activates the body's relaxation response, calming the nervous system and reducing anxiety. Technique 5. Alternate nostril breathing. Alternate nostril breathing is a practice deeply rooted in ancient yogic traditions that can be a powerful tool for finding balance and harmony, particularly in times of anxiety. Anxiety often arises from an imbalance within our body and mind. It can leave us feeling overwhelmed, shattered, and disconnected. Alternate nostril breathing offers a gentle yet profound way to restore equilibrium and cultivate a sense of inner calm. Place your right thumb over your right nostril, gently closing it. Inhale deeply through your left nostril for a count of 4, and use the ring finger to close your left nostril. Exhale slowly. Inhale through your right nostril to a count of 4. Close your right nostril with your thumb, and exhale through your left nostril to a count of 4. With each breath, allow yourself to sink deeper into a state of calm and balance. Use this practice whenever you feel the waves of anxiety rising, or simply when you desire a moment of peace and grounding. Technique 6. Lion's breath. Anxiety often manifests as a build-up of stress and tension in our bodies, leaving us feeling trapped. Lion's breath offers a powerful way to unleash that pent-up energy and create a sense of liberation. Now let's get ready to roar away our anxiety. Take a deep inhale through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Exhale forcefully through your mouth, opening your mouth wide and sticking out your tongue. As you exhale, part your lips wide like a roaring lion and stick your tongue out as far as you can. Exhale forcefully and let out a deep audible ha sound as if you're imitating a roar of a lion. Repeat lion's breath for several rounds, letting go of any stress or tension with each exhale. Feel the vibration and power of your breath as it reverberates through your body, releasing stress and promoting a sense of freedom. Feel free to repeat this technique as needed throughout the day to release pent-up emotions. Use lion's breath whenever you feel overwhelmed or in need of an emotional release. It's a technique that can be practiced discreetly in the privacy of your own space. By giving yourself permission to let go and roar away your stress, you'll find yourself feeling lighter, more energized, and ready to face the challenges ahead. Remember, lion's breath is not just about making noise, it's about finding your voice, releasing what no longer serves you, and reclaiming your power. Use this practice as a tool to liberate yourself from the clutches of anxiety and step into a space of empowerment. Technique 7. Vritti. Vritti, also known as equal breathing, is a powerful practice that promotes balance and harmony both in the mind and the body, especially in moments of anxiety. Vritti helps to restore equilibrium by consciously regulating the inhalation and exhalation, creating a sense of calm and grounding. Inhale slowly and deeply through your nose to a count of 4. Exhale slowly and completely through your nose to a count of 4. Maintain this equal count for both inhales and exhales. Continue the rhythmic cycle of inhaling and exhaling for several minutes, focusing on the sensation of your breath. Allow the equal breathing pattern to bring a sense of calm and steadiness. As your breath becomes more synchronized and balanced, you may begin to experience a deep sense of calm and relaxation. Each inhale brings in fresh, revitalizing energy, while each exhale releases tension and stress. Vritti can be practiced at any time, whether you're feeling anxious or simply seeking a moment of tranquility. Use it as a tool to ground yourself during moments of stress, before important tasks, or whenever you feel the need to find balance and calm. Technique 8. Breath counting. Breath counting is a simple yet powerful method to enhance focus, reduce racing thoughts, and promote relaxation, especially in moments of anxiety. Breath counting provides a focal point to anchor our attention and quiet the racing thoughts that can contribute to anxiety. This technique promotes mindfulness, bringing your awareness to the present moment and gently guiding your thoughts away from anxious concerns. Inhale deeply through your nose. As you exhale, silently count 1. Inhale again, and as you exhale, count 2. Continue this pattern, counting up to 5, and then start again from 1. If your mind wanders, gently bring your attention back to your breath and counting. Practice breath counting for a few minutes, allowing it to quiet your mind and promote relaxation. As you engage in breath counting, allow your attention to remain focused solely on the counting and the sensations of your breath. Notice the coolness of your inhale and the warmth of the exhale. Observe the rise and fall of your belly or the gentle expansion and contraction of your chest. With each breath, release tension and allow yourself to relax more deeply. By directing your attention to the breath and the act of counting, you create a mental anchor that helps to quiet the restless mind. Remember, the goal is not to manipulate the breath, but simply to observe it and count each breath as it naturally unfolds. Embrace any thoughts or distractions that arise with non-judgment and gently return your focus to the breath and the counting. Technique 9. 7-11 breathing. Now let's dive into the transformative 7-11 breathing technique, an invaluable tool for soothing anxious minds and bodies. Take a deep breath in through your nose to a count of 7. Exhale slowly and completely through your mouth to a count of 11. Now repeat this pattern, inhaling to a count of 7 and exhaling to a count of 11. Focus on the sensation of the breath flowing in and out, allowing it to bring a sense of calm and relaxation. Practice 7-11 breathing for several minutes, letting go of any tension with each exhale. Technique 10. Progressive muscle relaxation. Progressive muscle relaxation helps you to release physical tension and promote a deep sense of relaxation throughout your body. By systematically relaxing each muscle group, you can bring about a sense of calmness and ease. Find a comfortable seated position or lie down in a quiet space. Start by focusing on your feet. Take a deep breath in. Now tense your feet and hold your breath for 10 seconds. And as you exhale, consciously let go of any tension or stress in your feet. Feel the muscles in your feet become loose and relaxed. Move your attention to your calves. Continue this process slowly, working your way through each part of your body. Relax your calves. Move your attention to your thighs. As you release tension from each muscle group, imagine a wave of relaxation washing over that area, soothing and calming it. Move your attention to your hips. Take your time and give yourself permission to fully relax each muscle before moving on to the next. Move your attention to your abdomen. Chest. Shoulders. Remember to breathe deeply and let go of any thoughts or distractions as you focus on each muscle group. Hands. Arms. Finally, your face and scalp. Congratulations, you've learned 10 powerful breathing techniques for anxiety relief. Remember, the breath is always accessible to you as a tool for calming your mind and your body. Experiment with these techniques and find the ones that resonate with you, and incorporate them into your daily routine till it becomes a go-to technique for your anxiety management. Please do subscribe to this channel if you enjoyed this video and hit the notification bell so you can be reminded of any content that we release in the upcoming weeks. And remember, be kind to yourself.